Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be making a Monte Cristo. It's going to be 0 points. We're going to make it with cauliflower bread. I hope it comes out good. I had this vision, I don't know, 2 nights ago maybe, and I was trying it the other day, but the whole cauliflower bread broke when I went to pull it out. This one started a little bit, but it's still usable. So I'm going to try it, see how it turns out, and see if you guys like it. Hold on, we're going to go for a ride. Okay, here's my skillet that we're going to put it in. Here we have some turkey, this oven gold roast, whatever it's called, 0 points. Ham, that's this one here, Oscar Mayer Deli. 1 slice is 0 points. Here's my cauliflower bread. I already cut it up. Made that this morning. We got some cheddar. We have some mozzarella right here. This is an egg that I beat up. I'm going to use that and coat the outside and brush it on. Egg wash kind of deal. We got some mustard, some mayonnaise. I'm going to use a teaspoon of each. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm measuring this out now. Oh, let me move that over. This is 1/8. You can use 1/4 of a cup for each cheese on each sandwich. So there you go. See, 1/8. It's 1/8. So I could actually put more in there, but I'm not gonna. All right. So let's get to it. Okay, to start this off, we're gonna put the mayonnaise. I'm gonna put a quarter. I'm gonna put a teaspoon each. This is that light mayonnaise, and this 1 teaspoon is 0 points. So trust me, I'm gonna get all I can. This is the way Penny don't go crazy and say, "Did you get it all?" See, I don't even care for this one. This is the light mayonnaise. There's 1 teaspoon of 0 points, so we're gonna put that on one side. Yeah. Shh, kitty cat, go away. That cat, I won't let her in, let her out, let her in, let her out. Or him. It was a he, she, I guess you'd call it, right? So anyway, teaspoon here too. All right. This way everybody gets their fair share of their mayonnaise. I'm going to make this the turkey side. So almost not a put, no. I steal some from hers, right? There you go, that's good enough. So I got a little bunch of creases over here that sucked up my mayo. Okay. So that being said, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna take some mozzarella cheese, like this here. This is an 1/8. Okay, and we're gonna put that right here. This is an 1/8. So we're gonna, because we have the cheddar cheese that's gonna go on the other side, and that'll be the 1/4 cup that you're allowed to have. See? That's a lot of cheese, really. Even an 1/8. Put some on mine. That's too much, right? Okay, so then we're going to take our turkey. Now this here, this is a big slice. See, that's deli slice. So try to keep it on the sandwich. Okay. Then I'm going to lay the ham right on top of that. This forest ham is a lot thinner than the other, but either way, try to keep it lined up in the sandwich. Okay. Then we're going to take the mustard. We can basically have as much as we want at 0 no matter what. So I'm just going to put a little dab will do ya on here. I'll spread that around. I don't want to mix mayonnaise and mustard. Penny will have a cow. She don't like to mix things. But give her a nice sandwich and she'll mix it. I'll tell you that. This is going to be a good sandwich. Look at that. That's less than a teaspoon apiece, huh? Of mustard and a teaspoon of mayonnaise. Oh, get a little dab will do you here. Cat, you're not going back out. Forget it. It's like 40 degrees outside this morning, and the cat let him in and out. I don't know, 4 or 5 times, and now he wants to go again. Then he's out there. You close the door. He comes right to the door, starts meowing, wants back in. Try your nuts. Okay, so let me get some more cheese, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I didn't wait. I already put the cheese on there, so just trying to get everything nice and even. This is just something at 0 points. I think you guys are going to like it. Now we got some cheddar for the other side. I think this will be enough, but it's not even an eighth yet, so I'm just going to show you guys so you can see it. I think that'll be enough. See? Less than an eighth. Okay, so we'll put that one on here. Spread it out. Try to push it down because it's going to be hard to flip this over onto the sandwich, I'll tell you that. Another quarter, another eighth. I did that the other day. I was calling teaspoons, tablespoons, and tablespoons, teaspoons, and trying to keep everything. Penny likes it when it's everything 0, so trying to do everything just right. Okay. Again, this is less than that, so see. But anyway, yeah. All right, so now, only thing we do now is flip them over, and I'm going to get my egg. So I'll be right back. Okay, I forgot to turn my pan on, but I just did now, so let's get this. This is the real deal. This is how they make them on the sandwich, so we're going to try to duplicate everything except for the bread part. And of course, it's not as thick, but I think this will be good as long as we can cook it up. This is a half an egg I had left over when I was making something else. Trying to get that goobery looking thing off of there. But we'll see how this turns out. Okay, we'll be back as soon as the pan heats up. Okay, so now our pan's hot. So we're gonna spray here. I have this on medium. Now I'm gonna take two flippers and get my egg side down. That worked pretty easy. And we'll slide this off of here, right onto the pan, and keep an eye on it. I figure it's only going to be a couple minutes on each side, but that's working pretty well. I need the 2 flippers though. And then while that one's on that side, but that turkey, that oven gold rolled or whatever the hell it's called, I don't know. But Penny looked it up, and Weight Watcher says 0, and that's like all you can eat kind of deal. So Publix has it, and we couldn't get it from Walmart, but when they had counted for points, I don't understand that, but that's how it works. All right, we'll be back in about a minute. Okay, we just flipped it again, and there you have it, looking good. Everything hopefully melts up nice. We'll see how this works. Nice, it's nice, crispy, almost. Hey, for a cauliflower bread, this is pretty cool. So we're going to see how this tastes. But again, it's 0 points. It's another tasty dish. I like it. Oh, speaking of likes, if you like this, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the little notification bell. Bing! Oh. Oh boy, this is looking good. I hope everything on the inside is nice. The cheese is a little bit melty. I can see that. But it's gonna be nice. My little pooter's gonna like this. Oh, Penny. Not that Penny. Let me get another paper plate out of here. No, I better not get a paper plate. She likes putting them on the other plate. I don't know. All right, let me take a peek at this one. Leave it a little bit more. I think it's doing good. Might have to eat it with a fork and a knife though. Probably won't. Probably be a little softer, like a sandwich. But this part here. It's hot, number one, and number two, it's nice, has a little crisp to it. So I think this is going to be good. Let me go find out what kind of plate I need to use. Okay, I'm going to give this one to the little woman. See how we like it. She'll give me a quick report. Hold on. Okay, I just put this one down. Let this cook a bit. We got to flip it. And I will let you see it again. All right, I got the egg already brushed on there. All right, we'll be back. Okay, we're on the home stretch. Didn't come out really good, I think, huh? I'm liking it. Miss Penny took hers and beat feet back to her office, so I don't know about the report yet. So now, I'm going to get me my little display plate here. No, I'm not. It's not big enough. So we'll get one of these. This is better, huh? Nope. We'll just get and be done with it. All right, give me another minute and we'll be done. Okay, my friends, there you can see it. Came out nice. I don't know, you can't hear the crunch, but I think I can lift this up like a sandwich. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. Meet you at the taste test table. Okay, there you have it. There's Elmo. We're going to get ready and go to the table. Okay, hope you guys can all see me now. I'll just let you sit down first. Okay, so this thing turned out pretty good. Penny gave it 2 thumbs up. She said next she wants me to make her a Cuban. So, without further ado, I said I wanted to try picking it up. She ate it just by picking it up. It's good to go, pretty nice. All the cheese is melted. The ham's hot, the turkey's hot. I can taste the mustard more than anything else. Mayonnaise not so much, but it's nice and moist on the inside. But anyhow, so this is just another one of those recipes that came to me when I wasn't even thinking about it. See, on both sides came out nice, didn't burn them. Yeah, this is definitely one for the books. Tastes good. I like it. Pretty nice, easy to make. You saw how I did it. The only thing I did ahead of time was made the bread again because I figured I didn't want to put you guys through that again. But the recipe and everything will have the ingredients, how to make the bread. So I'll let you do that again. Okay, let's get down to business. I got some other things to do yet today. When you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, get your sanitizer spray, your gel. Matter of fact, my little Emma bought me a big bottle like this yesterday. They got a whole bunch more than they ordered where she works, so they gave her a couple bottles. She gave me one. Anyway, don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another delicious dish like this, and it is good. Give us a like, share with your friends. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And then when you do, the little notification bell pop up, you hit that, and that'll notify you each time that we have another video come up. Up in the right-hand corner, right below the video, there's a little arrow down. You hit that, drop box will come down. In there, we'll give you another part of the description, a link to our Facebook page for Cooking Mr. Dan, my daughter's web page for her artwork site, and also the complete recipe, the ingredients, and how to do it. So without further ado, stay hungry, my friends, and when you are, come back and we'll give you another delicious 0-point dish just like this, and it's very filling, I can tell already. So we're out for now. We'll be back soon enough. This is Mr. Dan saying stay safe.